Good morning, students. How are you today? So, we're here again, and without wasting any much of our time, I'll quickly take you to the boardwork section where we have to continue with our reading. Yesterday, we did a little bit of that, and today, we're going to continue from where we start. Just like I told you before, if we cannot read, then we don't belong to this class. So all of you must learn how to read. And one more time, I'll be taking you back to our alphabet, where we have to study most of the words that start with our alphabet from A all the way down. Okay? So let's go take a look. And also we talked about the articles. We say the articles, we mean a and an. When we say a pencil, when we say a pen, an apple, an elephant, okay? So at the end of this lesson, what I want you to do is that using the alphabet and all the words that will be producing with the alphabet, you have to be able to tell me which of them that will go with a and which of them that will go with an. I've told you already that we use a when we're using a noun that begins with a consonant, and by now you should be able to know what a consonant is. And then we use an when we're starting a noun that starts with a vowel, and you know your five vowel sounds, which are a, e, I, o, u, and the rest of the letters of the alphabet are called what? Consonants. Okay, without wasting any much of our time, let's quickly go and get it started. Alright, so come with me. So today I'm bringing you back here, even though we've done some of these before. But I just found out from yesterday that many of the students, they cannot be able to pronounce some certain words. So that is the reason for bringing you back here, so at least you can understand or at least learn how to how to pronounce or say some words when you see them. For example, yesterday, as you see, this one was called avocado, avocado, anchor, acorn, avocado, anchor, acorn. We have our letter A, which is in capital letter, then our small letters A. This one is not supposed to be what you'll be doing, but in case you're still having difficulties with your writing your A, capital letter A and small letter A, then you can practice with all this. But we've done this before. I'm only focusing on these words that we've got here. We have got banana, got boat, balloon, balloon, banana, boat, balloon. I've got cloud, carrot, coconut, cloud, carrot, coconut. I've got donut, daisy, door, coconut, no sorry, donut, daisy, door. Earth, envelope, egg, earth, envelope, egg, egg, envelope, earth. Frog, fire, flag, frog, fire, flag, frog, fire, flag. Glasses, see your glasses. The teacher is wearing his glasses. Guitar, gift, glasses, guitar, gift. Hat, house, hand, hat, house, hand. Igloo, ink, iron, igloo, ink, iron. You know, you're pressing iron when you want to iron your shirt or your clothes. Many of you, your parents have got a laundry store where people take their clothes for laundry, and when they are done, they have to iron the clothes. Electric iron. You see the wire that is connected to that is plugged to the electric socket. So one more time: igloo, ink, iron. Jeans, jeans, jam, juice, juice, jeans, jam, juice, jeans, jam, juice. Key, kiwi, kite, key, kiwi, kite. Ladybug, leaf, lollipop, lollipop, ladybug, leaf, lollipop, ladybug, leaf, lollipop. Maybe we'll have to stop here for today. Tomorrow we'll continue because we've got reading about animals we have to do again today. Okay? So, but what I want you to do is from these ones we've done today, from the alphabet, you will be able to tell me if I want to say ladybug. Is it a ladybug or an ladybug? And you see here we've got our L, which is it's a consonant. So when we want to say ladybug, we're supposed to say a ladybug. Here a leaf, a lollipop, because these are L is what? A consonant. And because also K is a consonant, you say a key, a kiwi, a kite. A jean or jeans, jam, juice. See, a pair of jeans, a jam, a juice, or a can of juice. We use A for these ones because they are what? Consonants. See, this one is I, letter I. A-E-I-O-U. So an igloo, an ink, an iron. I've got our H, a hat, a house, a hand. A pair of glasses, a guitar, a gift. A frog, a fire, a flag. An earth, an elephant, an egg. Why? Because E is what? It's a vowel. An earth, an envelope, an egg. A donut, a daisy, a doll. A cloud, a carrot, a coconut. Banana, boat, balloon. An avocado, an anchor, an acorn. I think that is going to be all about it with the alphabet. Tomorrow we're going to continue from, I think we stopped at J, then we'll go down all the way. Just for you to know some words, and at least I love this one because it has got pictures with it. Okay? So now let's quickly move over to reading about animals. As you can see here, this is what gets me so concerned that I'm insisting that all students should be able to read, because this is for kindergarten. And for sure you guys are not in kindergarten class, so if you cannot read this, then you don't belong to this class. Okay? So let's go take a look one more time, and teacher will have to read for you. This is a lion. It is a large animal. It likes to hunt for its food. They are carnivore. Lions have 4 legs and a tail. They are brown. Male lions have a brown mane around their head. This is a lion. It is a large animal. It likes to hunt for its food. They are carnivores. They are carnivores. Lions have 4 legs and a tail. They are brown. Male lions have a brown mane around their head. You have the mane, the thing you call mane is the hair you see around the neck of a lion. Okay? When they say they are carnivore means they eat other animals for food. That's why we call them carnivores. Okay? We use this because it is one. When we talk about this, means something that is close to you, that is near to you. Because this is a singular noun, that is why we use what a singular verb is, to show that it is one. And that is why we use a lion, meaning that it is one lion. That's the meaning of a. And why did we have to use a? Because L is what? A consonant. Okay? Instead of saying a lion one more time, we said now we have to use what? It. Because when you don't want to say a lion again, because it is an animal, we use what? It. You see? We're still talking about the same thing, a lion. We said it, and we're still using what? The singular verb, which is is. It is a large animal. We're using a again because we're telling us it is one animal. It is a large animal. This is what we call adjective, telling us about the noun, telling us about the lion, that the lion is what? Is big, is large. When something is large, that means it's big or huge. It is a large animal. And instead of saying a lion again, we use what? It. They are still telling us about the same lion. They say a lion likes to hunt for its food. You see? Because it is it, that is why we put what? Likes. Like is what? The verb. But they need to put s, because this is what? It. It likes to hunt. Hunt means to go after, to search for, to find its food. It likes to hunt for its food. Now they're telling us about all the lions. That is why they use what? They. And you see here, they means more than one. That is why we have to use the verb are to talk about it. This they means lions with s. All the lions are carnivores because they don't eat grasses or ants or other. They eat other animals for food. They are carnivores. Because we are using they, that is why they have to use what? Are, which is plural verb. Lions, you see here again, they put lions, meaning the same thing they talked about here, all the lions. That's why we have got s to it. You see, this one we have a lion, there is no s. This is singular. And this one we have lions with s. This is what? Plural. And because we have lions with s, that is the reason why we use what? Have. They have what? 4 legs. You see, one leg is a singular. Legs, because there are 4 legs, that's why we have plural. We have to add s to the leg. Then, and a tail. You see, one tail. That is why we use a tail. Okay? They are brown. We use they because we're talking about all the lions. Lions are brown in color. Now they say male lions, meaning a boy lion or a man lions, have, because we are talking about all the lions that are male, they have what? A brown mane around their head. Big hair that you see around the head of a lion, that is what we call, you see. So we're going to answer some questions, but first of all, you have to read this. This is a lion. It is a large animal. It likes to hunt for its food. They are carnivores. Lions have 4 legs and a tail. They are brown. Male lions have a brown mane around their head. So you're going to read this. Make sure you listen again and again so you can be able to read it when you come joining me at the Zoom meeting. This is a lion. It is a large animal. It likes to hunt for its food. They are carnivores. Lions have 4 legs and a tail. They are brown. Male lions have a brown mane around their head. Okay. So when you finish watching this video, I'm going to send this one across to you. I want you to copy this. We have the articles A and N. We also have this one, but I'm not going to bother you with this, that. Okay? Maybe we'll talk about this later. But for now, I want you to focus on when to use A and when to use an. Alright? So you use A before a noun that starts with a consonant. Look at what we call consonant. Consonant, you remember your 26 alphabet. We have 26 in number. But here, when we take away the vowels is A, E, I, O, U. If you take away the vowels, then the rest will be what? You see, A is taken already, so have B, C, D. E is a vowel. Then have F, G, H. I is a vowel. This one, J, K, L, M, N. O is a vowel. P, Q, R, S, T. U is a vowel. Then V, W, X, Y, Z. Did you see that? So when we talk about consonant, you mean we're talking about the alphabet. But the consonant means when we are not talking about the vowels, because the vowels, we've got 5 of them. So the rest of the alphabet are called consonants. So we use A before a noun that starts with a consonant. B, C, D, E. B, C, D, E is a vowel. G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. All these are called what? Consonants. Okay? So for example, you can say a dog, because D is what? Is a consonant. You can say a friend, because F is what? A consonant. You can say a student, because S is what? A consonant. You can say a teacher, because T is a consonant. You can say a school, because S is a consonant. Okay? So the next one we have, you use N before a noun that starts with a vowel. You see here, A, E, I, O, U. These are our vowels. For example, say an umbrella, an idea, an apple, an elephant. Okay? But one more thing you need to know is that when we talk about these A and N, or vowel and consonant, we also have to be looking out for what we call the sound of the word or the letter. For example, while choosing A or N, you should pay attention to how you pronounce the words. When you pronunciation means to say, like example. That means I'm pronouncing an example. To say umbrella, How do you pronounce umbrella? Idea and apple. Okay? So for example, they say hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. So when we say all these things, you have to listen to how they are being pronounced. You say it starts with a vowel, so we say an hour. Even though here we've got H, which is what? A consonant. You say H is what? A consonant. But the way we pronounce hour, we don't pronounce, it sounds like what? It sounds like what? Like a vowel. Hour. It starts with what? A. The pronunciation starts with A. Hour. But when we write it, you see we have this H, which is what? A consonant. The H is silent. So it's pronounced hour. So when we say hour, we don't say a hour. We say an hour. Because the pronunciation of hour is a vowel sound. Okay? Another typical example when we talk about this, you say university. University starts with what? U, which is what? A vowel. But when we write it or when we pronounce it, the pronunciation sounds like what? A consonant. This one starts, when we pronounce this, it's pronounced as a consonant, like university. So we say a university, we don't say an university. Okay? But this may not be for your grade, but I just to let you know that sometimes we might have cases like this. But for now, I want you to focus your mind on using this N and A. Okay? So when you see any of the nouns that start with any of these letters, then you use A. But if you see any noun that starts with a vowel, A, E, I, O, U, you use what? N. Just like an umbrella, an idea, an apple, an elephant. Okay? I'm going to end the lesson here, and I'm going to let you copy this inside your notebook. Maybe just copy this for the record, but I'm not going to worry you about this. And I won't be teaching you anything that is more than your grade, but it is important that you know this. So sometimes you are looking at the way the words are pronounced, okay, and not just the letters that start the noun. Okay, so with that said, this is going to be all about it for today. So I'll be looking forward to receiving you guys at the Zoom meeting so that we can continue from where I stopped. Okay, don't forget, you must learn how to read about the lion, then the pronunciation of most of those alphabets that we talked about: avocado, ancho, acorn, fire, flag, egg, envelope, all those. I'm going to ask you. Okay, bye for now and see you when you see me.